Sending money from Revolut to a Nepal bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, log in to your Revolut application. Then tap on the Payments tab and select Send Money and choose International Transfer. Then enter the recipient's details, such as the full name of the account holder. Also, enter the name of the bank in Nepal and the branch name where the account is held. Now, it will ask you to enter the recipient's bank account number. Or you can enter the SWIFT or BIC code. This step is optional, but sometimes required. Now select the currency you want to send and enter the amount you want to send. Also, review the transfer details and fees. Then, tap on Send to confirm the transfer.